Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics. Check your Infinix model and Android version in settings, and make sure battery is above 20% so the process won't be interrupted. Once ready, close background apps and open the Messages app that actually handles your SMS and chat. You do this because some phones have two messaging apps. You must use the one set as default. From here, you'll go directly into the app settings to find chat features. Once inside the app settings, tap the three-dot menu, choose Settings, and then open Chat Features or Advanced. The label may vary by app version. You'll see RCS options like Enable Chat Features or Chat Features. Toggle that switch off. When asked to confirm, accept. Make sure to wait for the change to register and observe any status messages like turning off or disconnected. If your Messages app asks to switch default apps, keep it as after toggling chat features off. Restart your Infinix to finalize the disconnection and ensure SMS falls back to standard texting. If the RCS indicator remains active, go to Settings Apps Messages and clear cache, or check for Messages app update. Make sure carrier services are up to date in Google Play. If problems persist, contact your mobile carrier. Sometimes RCS needs deactivation from their side. One key troubleshooting tip: switching default messaging app temporarily, then switching back can force the change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.